Hello guys, welcome once again. So if you are coming across training for the first time, although you will make tips or tricks on about making money online, so do different method, different strategy, techniques, and find out ways which we use to navigate any issue we have in our phone. So first of all, in today's video, I'll be talking about on how to save videos from MovieBox to your phone gallery. So if you don't know how to do that, I see many people asking, "Oh, I can't save my movie from my movie box. I can't send it except for user that are someone that is using movie box that can actually access it." So this is how to actually save your movie box to your phone gallery so you can transfer it to anyone, anybody you feel like. So this is how to go. So what you have to do is to head on to your Play Store. So you head on to your Play Store. So head on to your Play Store. You'll be searching on this app called Z Archiver. So this is the app. This is the app Z Archiver. So you can see now it's showing open. Why? Because I already downloaded it. So it's showing open. So all I have to do is just to you can see the features of the app. So you can see it's almost a hundred million plus downloaders. So people are actually using the app already. So all you have to do is to click on open. For you, it will show install. You just install it and open it. So let me click on open. Click on open. Then all you have to do is to head onto your phone hand, your hand. This is a feature here. It's called 100. This folder here, 100. So here is where you be finding any movie in your movie box, any movie. So after you click on data, then you search for movie box. So these are all the application that is in your phone right now. So you can search for movie box. So you click on movie box. Here is it. Then you click on file. Then you click on download. The download means they also we download the things that we download from movie box. So you click on it, download. Then you click on this D right here, this first one. Then you can see, boom, voila, we have actually accessed this video in our movie box. So what next to do is to transfer it, or is to copy it or cut it away from movie box to your phone gallery. So all you have to do is to click on it like this, then click on copy. So you can see this icon will actually show here. This you can see this something was not showing here. So let me cancel it again and show you something. So you can see there was nothing showing, there was nothing there, but just watch after click on it like this, then you click on copy again. So you can see here it's showing where you should copy, where you're about to copy your file to. So all you have to do is just to click on here like this. You can choose your SD card. Maybe you have a memory card on your phone. You can just choose. Let me choose on SD card there, because I want to move it. I want to copy it to my SD card. So just copy it like that. Then head on to I'm inside my SD card now. So you can just choose which folder you feel like to store the video in. So for me, I like choosing Zenda because that is where all my file is. So just click on Zenda, then click on video. So this is also the video that is in my SD card. So after, so then you click on this thing right here. This is actually calendar right there. You click on here. So you can see it say copying file. So you can see the file is actually copied. So just give it a few minutes and you'll be seeing my file has appeared here. So just wait. So boom, it has finished. So you can see here's the file, Blood Diamond. Here's the movie I'm talking about, Blood Diamond. So you can see. So this is how to copy your file. Copy any file, any video, any music, anything you feel like to copy. So your phone can also copy app. So anything at all that you just want to like move that is in your file, in your storage. or you just feel like to copy. So you can use this app. So hope you guys find this video helpful. Kindly do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. So that is to improve me that I am actually giving you guys my best. So turn on the notification bell so whenever I drop videos like this or videos around making money online, so you can also like check it out. It can be a help to you. So kindly do well to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. And also drop a nice comment in the comment section so I can also know your thoughts and try to figure out that I'm actually giving you guys the best of mine. So thanks for watching. Bye. One love.